Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to open my new Ipsy. This will be my second Ipsy since I have started up getting Ipsy again. I did get a couple add-ons, I believe. For sure I did. So let's go ahead and get this open. Sorry, my hair's wet. I'm filming when I can because of my kitty cat. And he's still sleeping, so we're going to just keep filming. I just finished filming yesterday's video. My Chatty Get Ready With Me. Alright. Oh, okay. I'm keeping these because they're still in such great shape. I can use those to mail out stuff from my Etsy shop. So, let's get started. The Glamest Show on Earth, November 2023. Oh, it tells me stuff in here. These are my add-ons. I'll go ahead and show them to you now. I got the Ofra liquid lip in Santa Ana. The color looked really pretty and I thought, why not? These were like the $3.50, I think. And then this perfume, this one intrigued me. Wilhelm Perfumery, Poets of Berlin. And I think this has something to do with David Bowie. I can't remember what it said. I think it has a connection with David Bowie. Nice size, nice size. I don't have anything on. And I'm going to try it. My first impression is green. But then that goes away. Oh, it smells really nice. I don't know the notes. Made in France. Okay. Well, I'm not sorry I picked that up. But yeah, it had something to do with David Bowie. I don't know. Here's the bag. Here is the bag. And it's a really soft, like a short napped fake fur kind of feel. So, Lord knows I don't need bags, but it's okay. Get everything out. Let me see what I got. This I picked for myself. This is a liquid eyeliner and it's in a blue shade, midnight blue. I picked it because I didn't have one. I didn't have a blue liquid liner. So I thought, why not? Yeah. Why not get it? Looks full size. And how often do I go through liners? It takes me forever. So here it is. It is by Estate. I don't know if that's showing. Probably not. Oh. Yep, nice. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Oh, now I'm blurry. Bought an expensive camera and it just has... Should have stuck with my old... I was filming on an old camera that it needed to be replaced. Okay, next. I got a Universal C Skin Refiner. It's from Beauty Stat. For all skin types, 20% vitamin C. I'm assuming it is a scrub. I am assuming. I got a vitamin C cleanser last time and now a vitamin C scrub. That will go into my sample stash. The liner is going to go directly into my eyeliner cap. Next, I have Origin's Checks and Balances Frothy Face Wash. I think I have used this before. There we go. That is going straight into my sample stash. Next, I have got, this is Ciate London, I can tell from the bow. Watermelon Burst setting powder. I got a setting powder last month. Hello, Tiger. Hello, babes. There we go. It's white. So, I think I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in my sample stash for now. And then last I got, it's wrapped up in bubble wrap. I got this V Cosmetic Autumn Pressed Shimmer Powder. So I guess a highlighter. It's a gold. It's pretty. I am going to throw that in my samples. Let's see. I got some stuff here, tells me. Yeah. The Watermelon Burst Setting Powder, Ciate, London, is a multitasking setting powder. Never feels drying. Okay. The full-size version of that product is $22. The face wash from Origins, full size is $26. Full size is $22. Come here, Tiger. Oh, he's sleeping. The highlighter, this is a deluxe sample. Full size is $28. The vitamin C skin refiner, it says the first of its kind, this vitamin C serum features 20% stabilized L-ascorbic acid to help bring brightness, clarity, and overall more even tone to your complexion. Okay, use morning and night. And the full size of this is $85. Full size is 30 ml. This is, it's not giving me the mil, it's giving me the ounces, which is 0.17. And then last, the eyeliner, that is a full-size product worth $12. Yeah. Okay, nice. So that is my my Ipsy bag. I'm still happy with it. I don't like that I got vitamin C, face powder, and a highlighter. Did I get a face wash last time too? Yeah, well, the vitamin C was a face wash. So basically it's kind of a kind of the same things. I mean, can I get something different? You know, it's not vitamin C, not a face wash, not a highlighter, and not a powder. Maybe switch it up a bit. Ipsy, let's switch it up a bit. So anyway, guys, thank y'all for watching. Let me know what you got in your Ipsy bag. If you are happy with getting the Ipsy Glam bag, if you used to get the Ipsy Glam bag, or are you thinking about coming back to it? I'm kind of glad I did. I'm enjoying it. Yeah, so just let me know down below. If you're new here, I would love it if you would subscribe. That means a lot to me. If you have any questions or comments, you know, and if you enjoyed this, please thumbs up. It helps me a whole lot. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.